If you want to pay on the Epic Games Store using Apple Pay, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through this simple step-by-step process so you can complete your purchase quickly and securely, whether you're using the Epic Games Store on the web or the desktop launcher. This is especially helpful if you want a fast checkout method without having to enter your card details every time. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and gaming tutorials just like this. It really helps the channel, and it means you won't miss the next guide. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Epic Games Store in your browser or launch the Epic Games desktop app. Once you're in, go ahead and navigate to the store or the in-game shop, depending on where you're making your purchase. Find the item you want to buy and click on it to open the product page. Now select the item and continue through the checkout process until you reach the payment screen. This is where Epic Games will show you the available payment methods for your account and region. At this point, look for Apple Pay in the list of payment options. If Apple Pay is available in your region and supported for that purchase, you'll see it appear as a selectable method. Just keep in mind that Apple Pay is subject to region, so not everyone will see it every time. Once you select Apple Pay, Epic Games will prompt you to authenticate the transaction. Depending on your Apple device, you can use Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode to approve the payment. This is what completes the purchase securely. After you confirm, give it a moment for the transaction to process. Once it goes through, your order should be completed, and the item should be added to your Epic Games account right away. And that's it. That's how you pay on Epic Games using Apple Pay in just a few simple steps. It's quick, convenient, and a great option if you prefer Apple's payment system for online purchases. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.